Yep, I welcome my suburban gardening days, even with all the noise and distractions. The photosynthesis better? I don't know. This is gonna be an experiment. Today I'm feeding, I am working on my roses, I am doing everything that I can to keep the garden going every single day and just get as many blooms as I can. Yeah, this has been a little frustrating. I cannot get some of my seeds to germinate for my salad greens, and I think I figure out what it is. I think that when I hose this I do this twice a day if it's warm, I think it's burying the seeds and they're not germinating. So I'm gonna take this as a sign to hand water, take my time, and enjoy the moment. The carrots are looking amazing. I don't know why, but they're doing so good. And I am not going to remove anything. Let it be what it is. And if they come out small, that's okay. Alright, so the next thing I gotta do is I have to fertilize or give some food, liquid food to my tropical trees like the lemons, kumquats, fig, and all that. So I'm gonna use my coffee banana mixture, the one I fermented. I show that on, I'll link below the video that has the different fertilizers food that I created. I created 2 that are free for you. And I don't know, I think I'm gonna add Epsom salt to it though, because I just feel like they don't get as much sun where I have them. I have nowhere else to put them. They're in pots, and maybe it'll help with the few hours of sun, I guess, to like process the photosynthesis better. I don't know. This is gonna be an experiment. We'll see. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm at the dahlia patch, and I am going to check all the flowers and deadhead, and then I'm gonna go to the rose on the other side and deadhead over there. But I have to show you the Cosmo finally blooms. I have to just show you a few things. The sunflowers are doing amazing, but look at the illumination. Zinnia, it is beautiful. It is so pretty. The basil is doing so good. Everything is doing really, I mean, look like the sweet peas are really going. I have to cut some today. Go ahead and use them, but the dahlias finally are getting a lot of little blooms. Like these are all about to burst open, which is about time. This is just full, so that's really good. But look how beautiful the sweet peas. I mean, this will be my third time getting them, harvesting them. This one here has grown so tall. What is this one? Oh, the label is so back there. Hang on, let me get it. This cafe au lait is huge. It's as tall as I am. I'm 5'4", well, a little shorter now that I'm getting older, but it's just almost as tall as me. It's probably like 5'2". It is just humongous. It's the tallest one I have right now. It doesn't have anything, but these two do have some growth, that one and this one. So I think the cafe au lait, I think, is the only one that doesn't have anything, right? No, well, these, they don't have anything yet, but that one does. So I think they're gonna start blooming probably in about a week. We'll have something blooming. And this is another zinnia that started blooming. I think this is the ballerina. I didn't put a label. I wonder if that's, it kind of looks like the ballerina. I have another zinnia down here. I gotta cut more of these today. These are from the dollar store, so I can protect them from the bunny. I saw the bunny this morning again. So I'm gonna deadhead that. Not too much. I have some of these dahlias here to deadhead, so I'll check on those. Look at this Cosmo, how pretty. Oh, I am in love. And this one I grew from seed is called apricot. So that's the only Cosmo I really grew, because I just thought it was, I think it's on Johnny seeds. Just so pretty. The color is like a yellow buttery in between this like mauvey pink. Oh, stunning. So yeah, this is filling up. Look at that. It's looking really good. I have another dahlia. This is the one I got for free that they gave me at the farm, and I planted it pretty late, but it's growing good. The only good thing is that the bunny doesn't like the dahlias, so it has not been eating the dahlias, which is very good as far as I'm concerned. But here's how it looks for now. Yeah, I'm very happy. Okay, let's get going on deadheading. Ooh. Okay, be nice. I'm just trying to clean up. Oh. Oh my gosh, too many bees. They love these hollyhocks. There's another zinnia here, but I don't know, it has like this yellow color and pink, so I don't know what is going. It has two different colors. I threw some seeds for zinnias there, but nothing has germinated, so But I have a plant that I'll show you that I want to plant here. I got a new one, but I do need to tie this up. It's kind of going wild, so I'm gonna clean it and tie it up. And there's this beautiful gomphrena. Look how pretty this color is. Growing so slow, not sure what is going on, but it's growing. This is how big it is. And this one is the salmon gomphrena. Very pretty. Ouch. If you would like to develop a morning routine like I have, this is what I do every single morning. I deadhead and I tie, I check my flowers, and I give it food or fertilizer. And this is what I figure out what to do. I use the garden planner that I have linked below, and that helped me be in touch with what I needed to feel good every morning and get started on the right foot. And the noise of the city does not matter to me. This is part of the reason I made this video without any music. Let me know if you prefer having music or you just prefer just the city noise. And let me show you a couple of little plants I got to put on this dahlia patch and also on the big planter and on the large Vigo garden bed. I want to add one petunia. I already added one, but I want to add one more in there. I got this gorgeous one. It was the only one they had, Wilco, which is a local place, and it's called Sumarina Glow Sugar Shake. It's an Echinacea. I've never heard of this before. And they're like a peachy color with a kind of lime yellow center. You can kind of see it's kind of yellowish. I don't know if it turns more peach. I'm hoping it does because the picture shows more peach. It may change colors as it grows, but it was pretty tall, like 3 feet tall. That's as big as it grows, and it's full of blooms. So I'm gonna place this one in the dahlia patch because I wanted one more with plenty of color on it. And then the other one is just a simple little short zinnia that I'm gonna put. I really like this pink color, so I'm gonna place that one. It was $248. I was like, oh my gosh, $248. That's expensive. And then the other one is this petunia. This one doesn't look great. The other ones look a little better. Let me see. You can see the color. Really pretty, and they're larger, which I think may do really good. So I need to plant all these today. Let's start with this one. I think I'm gonna move this zinnia and put this right here. Oh, that says it's a Cinderella peach. gonna put some worm casting, not mine. I'm gonna use these. Just gonna help it. Let's see if the hole is big enough. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's big enough. Okay, let me get some soil. Let me go get some soil. I'm gonna move these rocks and then I'll put them back on. I hope you enjoy this sort of quiet but noisy vlog. No music, but you can hear the city. This is what I experience every single morning, and I just enjoy it no matter what, because I am so into what I'm doing in the garden that it doesn't affect me. Let me know if you like vlogs that are more with the music, or do you like them with reality around it? I would love to know so that I know for the future. And in the meantime, keep gardening for your mind, body, and soul.